Welcome back to the program. It's now 9:23.
Discovery Lab is gearing up for a special event to introduce girls to engineering.
The lab's hosting activities all week, but this weekend there'll be an event just for girls.
News on 6's Meredith McCown is getting a sneak peek at what the girls will be learning. Good morning, Meredith.
Hey, good morning. I'm joined this morning by Kelsey Hildebrand. She is the Learning Experience Manager here at the Discovery Lab. So Kelsey, this is such a fun week. Tell us what it's all about.
Yeah, so this week is Engineering Week all over the country, so it's National Engineering Week. And then tomorrow is Girls' Day. So it's this week, all we're celebrating at Discovery Lab is getting more girls involved in engineering concepts and introducing them to engineering.
And you'll have those classes on Saturday where you'll teach girls different experiments. And we kind of wanted to show one this morning. Show a fun experiment. We have a little setup going on.
Okay, so what I have in this bowl is liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
So you got to see a little bit and experience a little bit of it.
It feels so cold.
It's very cold, yes. So what happens when I spread it across the table, you can see it will skitter. So liquid nitrogen boils at negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Unfortunately for both of us, it's way warmer than that in this room right now. So it's boiling off as we talk. You can see it's bubbling, it's smoking. When I touch it to the table, it skitters right across.
I know, it look like little bubbles and they just disappear.
Right, so I have a question for you. What do you think is going to happen when I put this balloon into the liquid nitrogen?
Well, I have the answer because we mentioned it before. So I made sheet, but I think it's going to shrink.
You think it's going to shrink? You think it's going to shrink. So there's nothing special about this balloon. It's just filled with my air. I just blew it up before we started. And I'm just going to stick it in the liquid nitrogen and we're going to watch what happens. So you did have the correct answer. The balloon is going to shrink.
That is so neat. Yeah, it's just, what's happening?
So this is a really awesome concept that we talk about in chemistry and physics. Air shrinks when it gets really, really cold. So all I'm doing is shrinking the air down inside of the balloon using the cold from the liquid nitrogen.
That is so cool. I want to touch it. Wow. Well, Kelsey, thank you so much for showing us this experiment. Again, they've got activities going on every day for National Engineering Week. And then the Introduce the Girl to Engineering are happening on Saturday and Sunday, the classes that you can sign up for online. I'll send back to you guys.
Meredith, I'm thinking now we need to go to Discovery Lab every month, do some segment. She's fantastic.
That's great.
Yeah.
Great job, Meredith.